Okay, we have this HP from another tech, and they're saying that the orange light comes on the, yeah, here on the phone icon, and they're saying that it gets really hot on around the charging area, and they provided a battery which maybe supposed to fix their problem, or maybe the customer bought the battery thinking that's the issue. Many people do that. They get a new battery. I don't know why. Just spend the money on the battery. Okay. Interesting. Because I didn't have to do the other screw, or because it's broken. Right, okay. If they mention charging port area is getting hot, then let's check out these MOSFETs here. See what's going on. And the diodes. Okay. Okay, first thing, just double check, no short on the main battery area. Okay, that's that screen. Screen, oh wow, look at that. First or second touch on the motherboard, we found the fault. There's a fault on the 19-volt rail. So, had an SSD upgrade. Okay, so there's going to be a short here. So that should be short. Oh no, okay, so it's before the MOSFET, okay. Recharging port. This is not a separate module, this is part of the motherboard, okay. Come back to that shortly. So if there is a short being read here, let's do a quick short injection test to see what the situation is. Maybe we can fix it without even taking the board out. I'm assuming something around here, but we never know. Could be one of these 19-volt capacitors. Let's bring in the thermal camera now. Power on. 0.6 volt is more than sufficient. Okay. That's the old picture from previous job. Okay, looks like thermal camera is not going to come up. Okay. One amp is currently being delivered. Not really. Let me go a little bit higher. It's 0.7. No. Okay. Get disconnect. There's no power at the moment. Power back in. Okay. Keep it there. There we go. So it's on the other side of the motherboard. Or it's covered by this cover. Let me remove that. Maybe. If we're lucky, it's something right there. Damn it, it's on the other side, unfortunately. Okay. It does kind of look like an IC by the amount of heat, like not a sharp pin like heat. It is spread out. So, okay. HP, so it's smart to use a non-conventional screw. They really think they're smart by using these kind of screws. It's a hex or torque screws. We don't want to remove the CMOS battery in case we trigger BitLocker if there is one. Okay, we'll let that be. Hello, thank you. All right, we're back. This is a ugly design of the motherboard, the way they put the screws and whatnot. Our job is to use remove least amount of screws. Damn it, they put it under here. Okay. One sec. Okay. No, so that's a separate module. And this is strange. Unless they put screws under the heatsink. Let's see. They haven't. This is really weird. This is really strange here. This is indeed strange. Okay, so by the looks of it, this keyboard comes out. You don't see keyboards coming out nowadays. You can see there are clips here, here, and they pop the keyboard out. But this is rare nowadays. They're all welded. This is strange. Yeah, this is why it's weird. This has screw locks for the motherboard from bottom of the keyboard. Bro, this is unique. Okay, so these two, this guy, they're actually holding the motherboard in place. Damn it. This is unique. Haven't seen this design before. So you see that there's a screw holder there. That makes sense why it doesn't come out. Abracadabra. Damn it. I think it's a big chip. That big chip. Ah, here it is. There's a burn on that. Okay, so a different area getting hot because of another component. Yep, PS83388A. Parade, that's the HDMI out. Why is that component damaged? That is strangely bizarre. There's another one here. What? That one too? Yeah. Okay, this is actually game over. Multiple components all had been shorted. This is a major issue. Oh, you can't see, sorry. Deactivate. Yeah, so we got this guy, Nuaton, NPC, and then we got this component's getting hot on the microscope and the thermal camera, and this is the other one, PS833BA, 8A, that's the HDMI. That device never actually goes bad, or a screen display chip. That actually never goes bad. So that means major power went right through this. The reason why the light comes on, I guess, is just going straight into everywhere the 19 volts and killing whatever in its path. And that light on the keyboard is probably getting 19 volts. Crazy. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend the time or money on this. Probably recommend them a replacement motherboard. So after replacing such components, we don't know if it's gonna work or not. And there's gonna be like 10 to 14 days delay. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.